Good morning, students. Yesterday we had completed till here. I will take this matter to the judge, and now we are going to continue this story. So, everyone listen carefully, okay? The merchant appeared in court, but there was no sign of Amin. The judge waited and waited. Suddenly, Amin rushed in out of bridge. So here the merchant took the matter to the judge and appeared in the court. But there was no sign of Amin. He sat quietly. So then the judge waited and waited. Suddenly he rushed in and breathed difficultly. My lord, 7 years ago this man took 12 eggs from me. 12 eggs will have become 12 chickens. These chickens will have become hens and cocks. So children, here the merchant said to the judge is that 7 years ago this man had taken a dozen of 12 eggs from me and promised me to pay when he returned back. Now he refused me to pay, and now these 12 eggs may had become 12 chickens, and these chickens had become cocks and hens. The hens would have laid more eggs. The eggs would have hatched into chickens. After 7 years, I would have had a large flock of birds. Now Amin must pay me 500 silver coins for all the birds that I have lost. So these hens had laid more eggs and hatched into more chickens. So after 7 years, I must had a large number of birds, one kind, feeding, resting. And now he must pay me 500 silver coins for all the birds that I had lost, said by the merchant to the judge. I hope so everyone got it. You all right? What do you have to say, Amin? And by the way, why are you so late? So by listening what merchant had said, the judge says that he is right and asked him to say, and also he asked why he was so late. My lord, I had a plate of boiled beans in the house. Before coming here, I planted them in the garden so that I will have a good crop next year. So then Amin said to the judge, My lord, I had a plate of boiled beans in my house. So before coming here, I had planted boiled beans in my garden so that it will give a good crops next year. Fool, how can boiled beans grow into anything? Then judge said to him that you are such a fool man, how can boiled beans grow into anything? Yes, indeed, my lord. And how can boiled eggs hatch into chicken? So here Amin said, yes, my lord. Then how can the boiled eggs hatch into chicken? And that's how Amin won his case. So then the judge got the point of their problems and understood. So by saying this, he won the case. So children, I hope so everyone had understood this story. So read this story at least 4 or 5 times to understand more about this, and the new words of this lesson you have to write in your English homework copy. Write each words 5 times and remember it. Okay. Till then, thank you and happy learning.